Hi, welcome to Career Planning and Resources.
CP&R, we engage, empower, and help students build their resumes through a personalized career preparation track. We offer signature programming, we offer different resources, and we have different platforms students can utilize to excel in their careers.
CP&R has two goals. The first one is Scripps community engagement and support. We want to make sure that both students and alums have meaningful connections and experiences, and that we're making sure all students understand the importance of the career ecosystem and the importance of career readiness. Our second goal is student success. We want to make sure that students have access to internship and job opportunities. 87% of students get into their first or second choice graduate program, and over half of students receive partial or full funding to those graduate programs. We also have 93% of students either employed or in a graduate program or doing a fellowship or internship or something of the sort within the 6 months of graduation, and we're constantly trying to bring in new employers that relate to students' interests.
This is our main office space. We have comfortable couches and we have tables that you can drop on by and study. We usually have a big bowl of candy filled here, and we also have other freebies here sometimes too, so you can feel free to stop on by just for the candy as well.
And behind me is all of our library resources. Everything is categorized into different industries, and you're welcome to check them out at any point. You can just come by our office and feel free to browse at any time too. Lots of good resources.
We also have a free closet where we have various articles of business casual clothing that you can take for free. And over here we have our blazers that you can also take. We only ask you to borrow these.
This is the conference room. We have our team meetings here, and any student can book this space to use for any interviews that they're having.
We also have a printer where you can scan or print career-related documents like cover letters or resumes.
We have 4 divisions here. We have marketing, which I'm a part of. We also have employer relations, data, and also CAP. So at Career Planning and Resources, we offer students a variety of resources. We offer one-on-one advising appointments, resume help, cover letter help, mock interviews, also any major explorations, figuring what you want to do, a lot of post-grad appointments too. Please come and CP&R. We also offer a lot of one-on-one student career counselor appointments where we are trained to help you with resume, cover letter, internship and job search, revamping up your LinkedIn, and etc.
Some of the resources we offer is Handshake. Handshake is where students can book appointments, sign up for events, sign up for 5C events, and that is also where we have our broad Handshake resources that students can access as well. And we would also like to highlight that students can now book appointments with the student career consultants here at the office. And another thing that we would also like to highlight is Olive Grove. It is a Scripps exclusive platform in which you can connect and network with alumni. And finally, we have a new LinkedIn page that you can follow.
The Career Action Plan is a new program that CP&R is doing this year to help students feel more prepared for tackling their career post-grad by the time they graduate. They can do it through all 4 of their years at Scripps, and it's a lot of things that students are already doing, like having an internship, meeting with CP&R to go over career goals, or look at a resume, or do research opportunities, networking. There's a whole bunch of them, 12 goals, and then you do a reflection at the end. And it's basically just to help you feel more prepared so that you know how to articulate your skills and everything once you're out interviewing post-grad.
Through CAP, you can also earn some really amazing prizes. After 4 goals completed, you get a Motley free drink card. After 8 goals completed, you get a special edition cap and gown squirrel. And after program completion, so 12 goals and a short final reflection, you get a pink graduation cord and a certificate signed by none other than President Marcus Newhall.
We have lots of signature programming here at CP&R, including an emerging professionals program where you get to learn about what it takes to interview and network and learn from experienced individuals in various fields. And then we also have the career exploration tracks. We have one coming up in March, where they'll be visiting the Bay Area and going to companies like Genentech and LinkedIn. We've gone to places like Seattle and LA. It's a great way to get into different fields and learn from professionals. We also have Resume Refresh, where you can submit your resumes and get feedback from the office, and currently we are doing an alumni program with the Resume Refresh where alums will view your resumes. One of our other signature programs is internship grants. If you have a low or underpaid internship, you can apply to receive funding from our office. We highly recommend you do this, and it never just hurts to apply. If you have any questions, though, please come and stop by the office. We also have a variety of events here at CPNR, including panels of alums, leaders in their fields from medicine to biotech to economics, all over the place. Last year, we had an event with Dr. V, who was one of the youngest UN speakers in the environmental forum. She recently just received her PhD from CGU, and she's an educational activist for women and girls. And so we were able to bring her in, and she talked to us about the importance of educating women at early ages and the importance of getting them into leadership programs. And it was a very special event.
At Career Planning Resources, we do many collaborations with on-campus organizations. In this academic year, we have done already 68 collaborations. For example, one of the events that we have coming up is a LinkedIn workshop. We work with any CLORGs, societies, and clubs all across the school. We have a form now where clubs can fill out and they can collab with us for they can get funding and any alumni that's possibly coming in.
Scripps graduates go on to do a myriad of things. We have a good mix of people going to graduate school for master's degrees and PhDs, people working in the financial industry at places like Ernst & Young and Jeffries, and also media with Warner Bros., Paramount, and Sony this year.
If you're an alum, we have continued support for you after you graduate, so you still have access to Handshake, you still have access to Olive Grove, and also to career planning and resources.
Thank you so much for watching. Please come to CPNR.